Alright, so I'm shaving the little bubbies.
I just saw fleas. Did you see them?
And they got infestation. A lot of that's dirt, but like 2 or 3 right there. But there's got to be a few hundred of them. So we're last resort. You know, their hair's so thick that look at that. So many fleas on these poor guys. So we're gonna give them a look at this. It's about a fingertip, almost an inch for me. Look at that. These things are scattering. So instead of poisoning my dogs anymore, we're going to only take care of a little bit of fur, right, buddy? Look at the guy. And this guy is nothing, man. This over here has got a lot of hair. So I bought a special dog clippers, and so far so good. You do not point down. You kind of lift it off their skin as you go. It's very quiet. See that? This thing looks really good. I'm really impressed. So, ooh, he tickles. He got a tickle spot right here. Whoa. I'm not a lefty, and I'm using my left here, recording with my right. See if I can get a little better recording in. And I'm supposed to go in the other direction. That's right. Look, he's got a tickle spot. That's the tickle spot. He likes that. It's my first time shaving a dog. Okay, let's go with the look at it. Yeah. It's right here. This is a tickle spot. It's so funny. Okay. Learn something new every day. So we got a lot of land here, and to really, you know, get rid of the fleas, but it kind of seems impossible right now. With all the rain, these dogs got infested with these things. So this thing's very quiet. Pictures of a few of these dang fleas. You go down with the hair in the direction of that the hair grows. You're not supposed to go the other way. So this is how it's done. Oh. My dog's taking a nap. Nothing on me, right? Oof. This is not something you want to do. I got my mask on too. So there's a settings on here. How long you want the ceramic. So you turn this wheel right here. Keep it tight. You twist it. $30, $29.99 or whatever it is. Wireless. Ooh, here comes the fleas. Cordless. It's good. Very quiet. Hear that? My hair clippers are louder than this. Just kidding. I don't remember dogs ever being this chill. Dog getting shaved before. My first haircut, that dog bit me. Then it bit me. But it had dreads and I went the wrong direction and it pinched her. And she like chicken bone, she chewed my finger so hard. In about 2 seconds, she bit me like 4 or 5 times. Like, whoa! It was not happy. But she was a new dog and I knew she needed a haircut. This dog's like bald. Wait till we do that one.
That's creepy.
I'm shaving sheep. Look at him. Like, there you go, right there. Like, that's the spot. Ugh. These fucking fleas running. I hope I don't pinch them because that's it for the confidence. That's my point. So far, so good. Never thought I'd be shaving a dog. But, hey man, it's just a pair of clippers. Amazon, got here the next day. It was an emergency. Come with like 8 sizes. But we're going for ball. I used a 3. And those fleas were like, we're good. Yeah, he's all chill now. Look at the spa, he's all chilling. Poor dogs. I couldn't stand to see him with any more fleas on him like that. We tried some poisons from Walmart. And that didn't work. Another tickle spot, look at right there. Right below the abs, not the wee-wees. We're gonna have to leave your wee-wees with fur, but I ain't going there. I don't know, like that. I don't know you like that, you know. I had him with a collar and everything, thinking he's gonna try and run. Like, wake me up when you're done. Unless he's losing all his superpowers. Look, he's losing all his superpowers. It's safe to say we can take off your collar, dude. Right? That's the trick. Play dead so you can run. I'm getting a little more confident. With applying pressure. I know when I try to shave my head like that with some cheap clippers, you know, it hurts. And I don't know if dogs got dimples or pimples and shit. I got gloves and all that, and I still didn't put them on. How to shave a dog. Whoa, 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 whoa. I'm still not, no damage. Well, yeah, you gotta turn this around or something. Or use two hands, so I'll get back to you when this chicken done is done.